Hey guys, today, today I went to church for my football and handed in food. That's my sister. And that was 2 hours. Then I got a McDonald's. And practically my sister, I don't know, but my sister, try and subscribe to this. Shine bright like a diamond. That was the thinking. This is her. One of hers is 11% more.
No.
Till it's uploaded.
No, actually, because it's preparing.
Huh.
It needs to upload.
So it'll be uploaded when you're in bed. Well, apart from parents.
Maybe not.
And I'm giving a big shout out
To me.
to obviously you. Her, Morgan Neal, Alex Simple, Roman Atwood, Alfie Days, Swell Assad, Latcher Joe, Lion Maker, Stampy Long Nose, Stroid Nugget, and all my other friends on YouTube. Sorry if I missed any of these out. Okay.
Work.
There's like gravy in my eyebrow.
I want to choose you.
Mom!
Who did?
Mom! Where is she?
Actually.
Well, I'm doing a YouTube video. YouTube. My dad was on YouTube. Dad was on YouTube. Gonna work. Right. Okay. And oh no! I'm not gonna tell you what me and my sister done earlier. So I can tell you because it will be uploaded. Here's wait.
What did we do earlier?
The Warhead Challenge.
Oh, yeah.
And the Chubby Bunny Challenge. And that's on her channel because my battery was low. So yeah, baby.
Aye.
And yeah, I'm in my football kit. Well, I put my jumper on over it. Gonna work. Alfie Days. Roman Atwood. I am in love with their videos.
Why is that doing that?
I can't post every day because I'm like 8 years old and I go to school. Yeah.
So did I.
She's 11 years old. Well, I'm coming 9 very soon in April.
And I'm coming 12 very soon.
In October, that's not soon.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
I've been near Christmas for time.
It's March.
I know, I'm not dumb. March.
And then April Fools.
April.
And I've got a fool.
Is he naked?
No.
Sorry.
Why would I have a picture of him if he was naked?
Kipper. I'm gonna show you my dog. Yo, what?
Yo.
That's my dog.
Yo.
I am so excited.
Hi.
When's Easter? At the end of March?
What?
Easter's at the end of March.
And then it's April Fools, and I'm going to be videoing it, and I've got the best prank ever.
Remember you pranked me to say Daddy's tooth fell out?
Yeah.
And I had to run up to the bathroom to check.
It was quite funny.
It wasn't funny, I'm going to get you back. Oh, I pulled the funniest girl in her earlier. I'm not even joking. Right, she was kicking the ball. I so quietly closed the door. And I ran up and went, and she ran in crying because I scared her so much.
I didn't run in crying.
Crying.
What are you doing? Cry.
Who is that? Why'd you put a picture of your belly up?
No, because it's not working.
Gonna work. What shall I call this video? Don't tell him. Whisper.
I don't know. Upload.
I know what I'm gonna name it.
It needs like 35% more or something.
What does?
My video to be uploaded.
Mine won't upload till like 2 in the morning.
Depends what time you post it at.
I posted after I finished video. Mom! Do you know I'm flooding? Do you know I'm flooding?
So, is there any guys out there?
Do you know that I am uploading a YouTube video? Yes.
Am I hot?
What?
Am I hot?
Hello.
No.
No.
Did you just say no?
Give me my camera back.
How much do you rate me out of 100?
10. Oh, no,
You're
you
so
didn't.
mean.
99.9%.
What's that 0.1%?
That you're not a boy. No, that you don't do football as much as dancing.
I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do, Emma.
No, you do not. You practice dancing every day, and you only went out today to play football.
Emma, right. So, Tuesday, which is an hour, and Friday, which is an hour, which is 2 hours. That's only one night of our training.
Yeah.
I do like 5 hours of football a week. And I do 2 hours of
4.
dancing a week.
4 hours.
Well, it was close. Stop fighting with me.
I'm gonna get chucked off the bed, lads. This is the purpose video.
Work.
Get her. R-K-O! Ding, ding, ding! Who watched the Frampton quiz match? Frampton won! Come on,
I
Frampton!
didn't even watch it, I did.
I said who watched it. That's because I was in bed.
Will you pull my thingy in?
What will I
Work.
What will I pull in?
My bed.
I'm doing a lot of burps tonight. That's like the 5th one in this video we're doing. You ready, lads? You don't.
I've only got flipping 12 views.
For what?
That night routine. Go and watch my Asda one especially because I've only got 4 views for that one.
Let me watch it. Let me watch it.
It's quite boring because it did. Emma, give me it! Emma, give me it because...
Watch it yourself. Emma, get off me. No, because I'm uploading the video. Oh,
No, you're not. You're making a video.
yeah, I'm making a video.
Emma, go. Get off me.
She only got this spur in January, and look.
Never say... It only needs washed, Emma. To get chill pill. It's only filled with makeup. Give it a makeover.
Ah, did you hear that?
It smells of
It's
your
candy
breath.
floss. That's because I burped. Ah, Poppy!
Well
Poppy! My camera just
Never
fell off.
see.
I'll go get it. Because I'm entertained.
Never see.
Poppy!
So,
You need to be in my video.
how's your life?
Where are you?
Oh, thanks for asking. I'm doing great. Yeah. Nice to know. And I'm gonna go to sleep. And then when I hear him, I'm gonna pretend to be talking to you.
Work.
Right, just come on. So, how's your life? Oh, thanks for asking. Mine's great. There's my wee doggy. Hello. Say hi to the camera.
Whoa.
Say hi to the camera. Your iPad's full. I give you a room tour. No, wait, I haven't.
Ah!
Oh, wow. Work.
Okay, seconds, lads. Lads, look at my beautiful dog. My dad's just coming out of the toilet. Well, out of the shower.
We are North. Never eat shredded wheat. We are S.
We're not upper, so we're Northern Ireland.
Actually, we're East.
We're not upper, so we're Northern Ireland. We're not upper, so we're Northern Ireland. We're not upper, so we're Northern Ireland. What you want me? Yeah! You want to see this lovely bot? Go out of the way and don't lie. My dog with me.
We are in the middle, North and West. West.
Never eat shredded wheat. I love shredded wheat. Never eat shredded wheat. I don't like shredded wheat. I don't even know what it is.
It's the thing. Do you know when we put it on top of our?
Yeah.
It's all.
I love it. Comment down below if you've ever tried porridge. And down we want it.
It's disgusting.
It's lovely.
Until tomorrow, you take a bit and you go, ew, that's disgusting. And I pushed my bed in, but properly this time. Work. My TV nearly fell.
It's okay. Oh!
Work.
I don't have a black hole on my feet.
Work. I am going to end this video right now.
No! Sorry, guys. That was noisy. And you're wearing earphones. I'll turn it right up.
Well, you should have said that before.
I'm going to work. I'm like burping a lot tonight more than
Emma.
What?
What are you doing that for?
Say hi.
Bye.
No hi.
Bye.
Okay.